Asia's biggest leaders and entrepreneurs, and yeah, I'm just happy to be part of this association today, and I'm just honored to be here tonight. And Brands Impact have put up they've organized it so beautifully and so wonderfully, and I'm just grateful and thankful to Amol and Ankita here.
वानी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके?
मेरे बहुत सारे अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर मोस्ट ऑफ देम जितना भी शूट किया है आ जाना चाहिए. अभी आई थिंक द ओनली वन दैट्स अनाउंस्ड अभी इज रेड 2 व्हिच इज अ मे रिलीज, एंड देन Mandala is coming out, and then there's Patami's Gill, and then there's a couple of other projects, but right now I can't talk about it.
And I think it's best you ask her about her event today,
See,
isn't
now,
it?
Ankita, so good to see you. Tell us, how important somebody like Vani representing and here, giving award to the people.
I think he's the best person to ask, the founder of the company.
We've seen how popular Vani is. Just the response, everybody, all the awardees, when they get to know somebody coming from Bollywood, especially somebody who's doing so well, they all are so excited to, especially in North India. So it's always an honor, and thank you so much, Vani, for joining us. I guess all the leaders and all the brands who are being awarded tonight are really excited.
But I'm most excited. Sorry, I'm just going to add on to it because what happens is your life is in a pool, like where you're meeting the same people. You don't meet people from all walks of life as much as you'd like. तो यहाँ पे इंडिया के most leading doctors and entrepreneurs and different field के people who are excelling in their own fields, you get to meet them, and that's a great exposure for me, and I love these and the way they have represented India and Asia overall. It's an honor genuinely to like come across them and meet them and talk to them.
Do you get nostalgic now? You're on the other side giving award. Do you remember your very first award? Now you are passing award to the people who have excellence in their respective fields.
Yeah, and I'm just looking up to all of them because they're so great in their own respective fields. It's again, like I said, it genuinely is an honor, and I feel my worldview and my opinions on so many other things kind of it sheds a lot of light on it because I get that experience and I get to like live with it and interact with these people. So it just only helps me grow as a person.
The last one.
Any message to the fans that you want to give? Any message to the fans that you want to give?
I'm just very happy and grateful that they're giving me love and support, irrespective of what, how many times, I mean, I'm not done too many projects, but I still feel the love, and I feel it's only growing, and it just makes me only like feel more grateful.
One last question.
Yeah.
बॉलीवुड बिजनेस एंड ब्रांड तीनों आज एक साथ हैं और आज चीफ गेस्ट हैं आप इस अवार्ड शो में, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? वाज द जोश टुनाइट?
No, जोश इज़ वेरी हाई. दिल्ली में हूँ, मेरा होम टाउन है, मैं बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक फील करती हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैं तो आई लुक फॉर एक्सक्यूजेस टू बी बैक इन माई होम. माई पेरेंट्स स्टिल लिव हियर, एंड आई फील Delhi is special to me. And the fact is, I mean, it's happening in Delhi, but like I said again, people from different walks of life, and they are shedding light on conversations and topics that need to be put in the center of, like they need to be discussed and they need to be out there. And I'm getting a chance to have one-on-one conversation with them. It's a big deal for me.
Thank you.
Pushpa 2 is getting so much of our...
I was not in Pushpa 2.
Can you just take a picture?
To honor me and give me amazing awards. I'm so grateful to both of them.
अभी शार्क टैंक का नया सीजन आ रहा था, उसके बारे में आपको कुछ कहना है?
मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं तो शार्क भी नहीं थी, फिर भी लोगों को लगता है that I was related to it
आपने बोला था
somehow.
ना कि मैं फ्यूचर में शार्क बनूंगी.
I really pray to God that happens, but for now I'm extremely grateful that Nishar is getting the kind of love and recognition which, I mean, when I came on the show as a contestant, which till date, I mean, I was just a contestant, but the kind of love India has given me, I mean, this is leading brands and leaders summit. I mean, this is huge.
अच्छा मैम, शार्क टैंक के बाद लाइफ कैसे चेंज हुई, क्या बदलाव आया?
आप लोग मेरा नाम जानते हो आफ्टर शार्क टैंक, वो बदलाव आया.
और आपका एक
बॉलीवुड में आपका अपकमिंग कुछ आने वाला है क्या प्रोजेक्ट?
I'm starting filming for something in January. That's going to be exciting, and I know all of you will like. Londo को अच्छा लगेगा मुझे.
इसके साथ कुछ
जैसे आपने लॉन्डो का जिक्र किया, पुष्पा 2 एक प्रॉपर लॉन्डो वाली फिल्म है, तो वो कैसी लगी आपको?
झुकेगा नहीं फूफा. I'm quoting. Diljit does that on the stage. I saw him recently. Such a star.
अच्छा, अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट में थोड़ा सा जिक्र किसके साथ आ रही है, क्या आ रहा है?
मैं मार देंगे वो लोग. मैंने NDA साइन किया है.
अपना लास्ट डायलॉग आप बोल के जाओ, जो मैं नहीं शेर की मालकिन हूँ.
I'm Parul Gulati. I'm an actor and Nishka की मालकिन. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Delhi.